You rev it just a little bit. Oh yeah, baby! Classic cars, Route 66 memories, and the sounds of old engines rolling through Ashfork, Arizona. Today we're celebrating the Route 66 Centennial Celebration and Heritage Day Festival with a parade, car show, museum, and plenty of Route 66 fun. Yee-haw! It's road trip time, baby! Ha ha ha! Now, first off, we're checking out the parade. Classic cars everywhere, baby. Cruising Route 66 like it was meant to be. And you know what? We're just having a fine time. We are at 4 times speed, and we are just go, 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 baby. Come on. Let's do it. Yee-haw! Oh, there you go. White Crook's making the turn around now. There she goes. Oh, the blue car's coming on strong with the green truck in the rear. Ha ha ha! There we go, baby. This is what I love about Route 66. All sorts of cool classic cars and trucks everywhere, and everybody just having a ball, cruising along and having a good time. And this is the history of the Mother Road. Going through it, just hitting the road and being out there and having a ball and seeing small town America. And Ashfork, if nothing else, it is small town America at its heart. I think I got Batman there. Uh-oh. Here we go. A little bit more. Oh, look, you got the yellow car, the blue car. Oh, check out that pretty red one. Woo-hoo, here we go. All right. All right, now, let's go ahead and go check out the car show. This is after the parade. There's still a bunch more parade to come, but just do little sections here for you guys. Oh.
Want me to do best?
Yeah, do your thing. All right, here we go. What's your names?
Magnolia Delight. You want pinups?
Yeah. Pinups, yeah, there we go.
All right, Jezebel Jinx. Magnolia Delight.
Nice. And what do you guys got going today? I know you have a big contest coming in.
At 2 o'clock today, we over at the Oasis Lounge, we have the Miss Centennial 66 event. We have 11 girls competing today, and they are all lovely. Some of them are brand new, have never done a pinup event before, so we're really excited to see who's going to be crowned with the top 5 crowns.
Nice. Well, that sounds awesome. Anything else you want to tell everybody?
Hello, Ashfork.
And enjoy Heritage Days.
We're so happy for you. Woohoo!
Say when. Go ahead. Nice. Rev it here. You rev it just a little bit. Oh yeah, baby. Sweet. All right, go ahead. Why don't you tell me about it?
I'm Greg Smith. This is my 1931 Ford Model A. It's got a 1978 El Camino 350 small block in it. Custom frame with airbags all around. Did all the interior work myself. Set up the top that opens off the old drill motor.
Nice. Let me go walk around here a little bit. This is early morning. I'm just going through and heading through town, so just showing you a few of the places as we drive through. I'm actually going to go ahead and drive through the staging area where this is before the parade, so we can see a lot of the cars and trucks. I got permission from George. He's one of the guys running this part of it. And we are just going to take a nice little cruise. Now, this is at like 3 times speed, so I'm not speeding through here. I'm just taking it easy. Want to make it a little faster for you guys. But this is going to be the takeoff point, and I just thought it'd be real fun to go ahead and do a little drive through and see everything before everybody takes off and does their thing. It's going to be a lot of fun today. I am so excited. Oh, here we go. Let him get by. A little tight up here. And we're going to come back and kind of go from the backside here. But this is the takeoff point. Like I said, all these are doing the museum, are going to be doing the parade, and then they'll be going to the car show afterwards. And this is all about celebrating the Route 66 Centennial, and Ashfork's doing a fantastic job of just. All right, now everybody wake up. Here we go. We're on it again. 3 times speed, baby. Let's go. The parade in action. This is part 2, so lots more cool cars. Whoa! The green truck creaks by. Here we go. Another one going by. Wow, what's going on here? There, he makes the correct turn. A lot of fun stuff. Teardrop trailer. Got the flying flag. You gotta love it. Oh, cool cars, cool trucks. This is Route 66, baby. You know, these cars and trucks are the history of the Buzzer Road. These are the cars and trucks that drove on the Buzzer Road. Oh, look at that fire truck. Nice. These are pretty cool. Love it.
Alrighty, wow, he's gonna go ahead and start us up. It's a little nice. Can you rev it a couple times? Yeah! Yeah, that's nice. That's sweet there. Look at the rest of this truck. Amazing.
Alrighty, so what's your name?
My name's Mike McQueen.
Awesome. Can you tell me about your truck?
My truck is a 1937 Diamond T 3/4 ton pickup. It's a Model 80D, which is the deluxe, the high end of the pickups. It had the expensive dash in it and the wide body express bed on it.
Now we're gonna come over here, and what do we got here? The runabout is a Ford car. Nice. Here we go. We got the poker games in town. Got the jail. Which one's yours?
This one here.
Ah, cool.
Yeah.
Hang on a second. You want to tell me about it?
Hey, this is a 1979 Corvette Z71 option. And it's a standard chassis, and it has big tires, but nothing else has been changed on it.
Nice.
Everything else is exactly the same.
Where are you from?
We're from Chino Valley.
Awesome. That's where I live.
Have a good day.
Thank you now. I'm going to walk around, do a little look. All right, go for it.
Hi, we are on historic Route 66 today at the Ashfork Route 66 Museum, celebrating our Heritage Days for the Centennial celebration of Route 66. Our museum is a community museum. We focus on Route 66 and the railroad. We are totally free and open Monday through Saturday, 10 to 4. You can check our website.
Debbie came in second. I came in third in the chili contest.
Woohoo!
Steve came in first.
I drove the old fire truck, Ashfork Fire. It was a great parade.
Well, you just can't be a good roadkill, can you?
That's right. That's right.
Let me see these great awards here. There we go. Awesome. And congratulations there to both of you. We're at the museum in Ashfork, and we're having Heritage Days and Route 66. So just having a good time checking everything out. You can see behind me lots of cool stuff. Here we got looks like an old Harley here. That's cool. This your car, truck?
That's what's mine, yeah.
Hey, could you tell me about it?
1981 Jeep J10. Local truck, been in northern Arizona its whole life.
Nice. Where are you from?
Ashfork.
All right, cool. Thank you so much. All right, what can you tell me about the car?
This is a Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. It's manufactured in South Africa, factory called High Tech for Shelby American. They've made approximately 200 of these since the turn of the century. It's referred to as a continuation car, not a replica of the 6 cars that were raced in the 60s. It's basically a semi-civilized race car. It's more comfortable than the race cars back then were and has much better brakes.
Good deal. Well, thank you so much. Where are you from?
Flagstaff.
Awesome. Well, thank you much, Bob. Appreciate it.
Hey.
Well, part of the fun of the festival, we've got all these cool vendors and food and all sorts of neat stuff out here. Now, just looking around the tents real quick, just taking a break for a couple, but a lot of cool stuff. I remember seeing all these rigs drive by on the parade. Well, we're going to take a quick look at them now. They're pretty awesome out here. They got a tow truck for just about everything. They're local here in Ashfork. But yeah, just gonna do a little walk around here and see what we find. Now this is pretty cool right here. Look right here, got that That's one bad. That's a mean looking truck right there. And this one's got the treads on it. That's awesome. Hey, you got another one set up there. A lot of cool stuff here. It's just a little bit of everything. They got from this to fire trucks to classic cars and trucks. Just a little bit of everything. And as you can tell, everybody out here is just having a grand old time. So, you know, Route 66 just brings out the best of people, I think. And now with the fire trucks heading out, let's get check out a few of these last fire trucks here. But this is in the Ashfork Fire Museum. Here's the fire truck here. Pretty fun. Well, I'll tell you what. I hope everybody enjoyed our day out on the having fun out here on Route 66. Welcome to Ashfork and just having a good time celebrating Route 66. Well, do me a favor and help us out. We have Centennial products you can buy down below, and also check us out and watch the next video. Please subscribe. Big Mike. See you later.